Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to copy-paste table from Excel to Word on mobile, step by step. Step 1. First, grab your phone, open the Excel app, and go to the sheet or file where your table is saved. This is where you'll find the table that you want to copy. Step 2. Next, select the table from the screen. You can either tap and drag to highlight it, or manually select other parts if your table is spread out. Make sure you select the entire table to copy it correctly. Step 3. Now, look for the Copy button in the toolbar that appears on the screen. Tap it once and your selected table will be copied to your clipboard. This step is important so that Word can later paste exactly what you selected. Step 4. After copying, go back to your home screen and open the Word app. Then navigate to the page or file where you want to paste the table. It could be a new document or an existing one. Step 5. Now, tap and hold your finger on the screen where you want to insert the table. A small menu will pop up. Choose the Paste option. That's it. You've successfully learned how to copy-paste table from Excel to Word on mobile. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.